Okay, I think I'll show you, I'm going to try to make this a very quick video about how to navigate the course. So I have my student preview on, so this should be precisely what you see when you log into our course. Alright, let's say you want to hand in the next batch of homework and exercises. So here's our to-do list for drama. You could click right here or over here, and let's launch this. Now nobody's in here yet, that's alright, so I'm going to create a thread, and here is the instructions for what to do this week. It first asks to read the drama chapter, so this should open up in a new spot here. And here you can easily open this up a little bit and go find the drama chapter. Actually, I think if you click on the link here, there we go. Here's drama. I can read it right here. And I can put a link to the Google Doc of that too. So let's say I read that, I can click out of it, come back here and post about it. Here are the plays to read. One's called Pancakes. So here's a Google Doc, read that. Most of these links should pop up in a separate tab. I did that purposely so that you could come back to Blackboard easily. When I'm done reading those things, I could easily copy and paste this whole thing here, and hopefully my screen will allow me to do this. Oh, let's try to get there. Alright, so I'm going to click copy on that, testing, come down here and put it in here. So now it's asking me to respond textually, visually, or orally to the drama chapter. So maybe hopefully I've kept some notes, and I can just, the drama chapter taught me whatever. Same with the two plays that I read. And here it's asking me to write dialogue using statements that I've heard from classmates. So here I would so I would obviously add more, and then you, for exercise 2, will go find a classmate in this class, find their dialogue for this piece up here and add more to it. So after I did that, I could just post something like that. Post. Okay, and now I'll assess myself. Yes, I did all those pieces. And I would click submit for that. I'm not going to because it's not really complete, but I wanted to give you a tidbit of what it would look like. I'm going to cancel out of here. So that's how you would do some exercises. Let's go back to the drama spot and look at the mini project. Typically the mini projects are due a week after, so you can see here when the due date is. And here's the catalog for the mini projects. So I would come down here to the drama, read this and figure out which one I want to complete. Come back here, fill out this cache document for that mini project. And usually there are some helpful tidbits on the second page, like if I want to use any of this pink text for my criteria to assess myself on, I could do that. And then you'll use the Grammarly app or the Hemingway app to assess your project. So if we close out of these up here real quick, I can show you the Hemingway app, and I think I might have spelled that wrong. Oh, maybe I'm good. Okay, here I can easily copy and paste my screenplay into this. And over on the right side here, I will get a whole bunch of data as to if I have any sentences that are hard to read, phrases that they think have alternate parts that would work better. It'll let me know if I have passive voice, how many adverbs, the readability, and I would easily just take a screenshot of this whole thing with my text over here and put that into this Dropbox area or drop spot or whatever you want to call it, and I would submit that. Okay, let me know if you have any more questions about how to submit things or the navigation of this course. I can easily try to create another screencast and shoot it out to everybody. All right.